tanungin ko lang sila kung ano ang difference ng conclusion at saka opinion. Ikaw muna boy, anong difference ng conclusion at opinion?
Conclusion is something that you conclude on a certain experiment. After the experiment, then you conclude what's all about the experiment.
Okay.
Example as an experiment. In an opinion, you're giving your own idea.
Okay.
So
Idea.
that's you just say your opinion without any further investigation. When you do an experiment without any further investigation, you just say something based on your opinion.
Okay. Ikaw Maricoy, anong difference?
And I thank you. Sinabi na. Yun nga, ang pag sinabi kasi natin conclusion, di ba pag sa experiment, meron tayong identifying the problem, hypothesis, conclusion, tapos meron yung pinaka-final. So parang siya yung pinaka-end or finish ng isang pag-process sa isang experiment.
Okay.
While in an opinion,
Okay.
based on your own idea, kung ano yung pagkakaano mo, pagkakaintindi mo.
Ganun.
Ganun lang.
Pero mali yun.
Mali
Mali yun, walang tama sa sinabi niyo.
ang opinion?
Kasi ang opinion ang pagkakaiba kasi ng opinion tsaka conclusion. Pag conclusion kasi hindi ka makakapasok. Pag opinion, pwede kang pumasok. Kasi open na yun eh.
Ano pala yun?
Yung
ano?
conclusion.
Hindi ka makakapasok. Kung
Nawawamali tayo
kung opinion, pwede ka na pumasok.
Tapos may English ka pa, mali pala.
Haba ng paliwanag mo.
Mali pareho.
Ang simple lang ng tanong eh. Conclusion, ay talagang hindi ka makakapasok. Kung opinion, pwede. Inay, thank you.